Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today I have a huge Dollar Tree haul, and it's one of those things where I went for one item and came back with $100 worth of stuff. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so today I got fall stuff. I have some deco mesh that I need to share, and I'll show you all the ones that I bought. And so yeah, let's start with the big stuff. So it's not a myth, I actually found this. It's a 21-inch 10-yard deco mesh at the Dollar Tree, and I will show you the colors I got. So I got two of these purple ones. I'm just gonna drop these because they're just so humongous. Then I got two of these burlap with gold. 21 inches. You should have seen me. They were still in boxes when I was grabbing them, because she didn't have chance to like put them out. They literally just brought them in. I was like, I'll take two of each. Then this burlap with red for Christmas. Got two of those. Then I got one black. I'm somebody who does more Thanksgiving than Halloween in general in fall, so I really didn't feel like I needed more than one of the black, so I just got one black. And then they had this lime one. I feel lime is more of a summer thing, so I just got one just in case I want to do maybe something for next year or something. So I got one of those. Unless you're doing colors that are, some people do colors that are like lime green and purple and just for Christmas. That's pretty too, but I don't. I do more traditional colors for Christmas. So, alright. Those are the deco meshes. I mean, really, really cool. Cool selection. Got a lot. Very happy about that. Then I found these wooden, I guess, blocks. This is pretty big. I would say this is like 14 inches. This is pretty large, and I mean, it's wood. It's heavy. So I got three of these, and I got different ones just to show you guys in case you're not DIYers what they have. So Live What You Love is one of them. Then Wild at Heart is the second one. This one's lovely too, right? Nice, black, neutral. I love that. And then Enjoy the Ride is the third one, and it has little bikes on both sides. So those are the three that I got. Let's do these next. Then I bought these little homes, and this is going to be for a DIY, so I'll insert the link for the project that I did with these here. But I got a few of these little home thingies, and they're so super cute. These are the culprits that made me go back, because I originally bought three, and then when I thought of the project I wanted to do, I had to go back and buy one more, and came back with this. So let's do more of fall stuff right now. First thing I got was this, and it says gather on that little circle, and it's just a shape of a house kind of, and just very simple, very beautiful. So the next thing I have is this little wooden pumpkin, and it says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Very, very cute, in gold sparkly letters. Then next I have welcome fall. A little sign right there. I'll take it down a bit. And then harvest blessing. Not sure. And then there was a third one that I did not take, but yeah, they had those, and super, super cute. Next thing for fall is this hello fall sign. They had these last year also. And then welcome friends. And I got them because they look similar, but they're really not. One is a little taller. One is a little, you know, chubbier. It's so cute. So I love that they're different and they're cute, and you could definitely put them like next to each other, and it looks so lovely, and just, I love this. So, so pretty. All right. Then next I have this little sunflower, and it's a clip. So let me take it off of here. And it's just a clip like this. If you're making a wreath, this is very nice to, you know, to put on a wreath, and just with a little clip. So very, very pretty. And look how sparkly that is on the inside. It has all these pretty, pretty sequins on the inside. Oh, got another one of those wooden pumpkins. I knew I got two. I was like, I couldn't find where I got it. And then I got some pretty frames, and these are square. Because before I got the oval ones, and these are square. So these are the ones I was actually looking for. But hey, I just think you could do so much with these. Very pretty. Then, this is like almost off the subject. Elastic support bandage. And it's this bright yellow color. Then I got one of these sieves or colanders. And for a project, I know, when I'm at the Dollar Tree, my head just spins because I just walk around in circles and my head just thinks of projects, and I try to find different mediums to do things with. So this is another new item, and it's this plush kind of scarf. So I thought this was really pretty, and it has fall colors in it. It has like burgundy, red, orange, and then kind of like a coral orangey red. So very pretty. Look at the colors there, you guys. Very, very pretty. A ribbon. For ribbon, I got, why did I get one of these? I wanted to get a few of these. I don't know if you've seen these. I've shown these in one of my other hauls, and there was 3 different designs, and I seem to be drawn to this particular one where it's like circles, and it's just so, so pretty. And it's very farmhouse, you know, because it has the, you know, the twine and stuff on it. Then I got some fall colors, kind of like a darker red, then like this brown with gold accents, and this gold kind of like a rustic gold. This one, like a darker gold, you know. So I got those, and then they did have a grow grain with this beautiful green that I absolutely adore. So I just picked up one of those. Sorry about that, you guys. My memory card ran out of memory. So the next thing I have are these chunky brushes, and these brushes I got for dry brushing. I want to see how it works, because when you dry brush something, you don't want a perfect brush, you want a messed up brush. So, you know, it looks very authentic versus, you know, nice clean stripes. So that is why I got these. Then I did get some wall decals or wall stickers. And this is a laundry one I got. Kind of cute. And then I got this one. And this one's more for Thanksgiving. And this one is really nice because it's very simple and clean. And you can use it for probably like 3 DIYs. Because this one says grateful. And then thankful and blessed. So for Thanksgiving, I thought, you know, I can come up with some projects that I can use that in. Then I got sharpeners because I realized I didn't have any, and my niece had to use my eyeliner sharpener to sharpen the pencils last time, so yeah, I had to get some sharpeners. Then I got one of these, whatever these tools are called, painters 5-in-1 tool. So yeah, I need this to open the canister every time I use my my chalk paint. I'm going to try this. Now this is a thinner, this is like a cardboard. And I'm not quite sure what this is supposed to be for. It just says a street sign, so I can do whatever I want with this, but it's a thinner one than our usual signs that we, you know, that we use. But I thought maybe I can try it for something. Then I got some leftover signs from, you know, from the nautical area. They brought more out, so I grabbed them. Then I got 2 more of these. If you remember, I did haul 2 in my other DIY, but they are so nice. I decided to get 2 more, and maybe I can do a project where I, you know, bring them together or something. I don't know. I really wanted to get 2 more before they run out and the new stuff comes in, because fall comes in, and you know, they'll bring that can run out. You know how it is. So this is so cool. It's a little heart, but this is for a Wi-Fi password. I'm not sure if what I'm going to do with this. This is flat. It doesn't have grooves. It has the illusion that it does, but this is flat and it has this little thing right here. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, how I'm going to use it, but that's kind of cool. Then I got some frames. I got this one. This one's quite large for pictures, but you know, who knows what I'm going to use it for. Then I got this one. Look how big this is, you guys. And so it holds 3.25 by 4.6 inches, then 2.25 by 3.25 inches, and 1 2-inch circular photo. But this thing is huge, you know. And I was just thinking, in case I have a project, I can use this. Decided to get one of these because I don't have a long one right now. I just ran out doing some projects. And then I got this gorgeous shadow box frame. It's really pretty, actually. The colors are nice. This is gold, and inside it's like a very elegant blue, almost a Tiffany blue. Not really, but almost like a Tiffany blue. Very pretty. Then I don't think I showed you my little rooster towel. That's for a project, so I got that. And then I got 5 of these buckets. I'm on a hunt to get more because I keep florals, and the reason I want more is because, you know, I have my Christmas, I have greenery, I have fall, I have like summer, spring, you know, floral. So I want to get a few more so they all match. I have them on top of my like shelving, and so yeah, I got 5 of these so far, and I want more. And then here are the florals that I got. So a few or last week actually, I did a DIY where I used a floral from Joann Fabrics, and literally the next day I went to Dollar Tree and found these. And they're little cotton ones. They're not the same as the one I used, but I think this is so pretty and very similar, but they're little, you know, cotton bundles, and it has 2 little pine cones on there, and it's just such a cute bundle. So I got 3. Well, not sure how I'm gonna use them, but hey. Then did get a new little 2 more of these bundles I got, and there are little pumpkins on there. Very, very adorable. Then I got a few of these little berries, and I like that they are they had like solid red ones, but my sister was with me. She's like, Nadia, I really like those. They're, you know, because of the double colors, it looks so pretty, so lovely. So I did get those. Then I got, I don't know how many of this one. It has one of these guys on there, a little acorn, and then some berries, and of course the floral flowers. Then this one has a little pumpkin on there, so just fall foliage and a little pumpkin. Then I got some hydrangeas, and this one's such a beautiful kind of peachy color, and then this one's a beautiful burgundy color. So some beautiful hydrangeas. Then I got these, and such pretty colors, you guys. So these have little kind of like netting on there. I hope you guys can see how this part is like it's netting. It's very pretty, and it's not like loose netting. It's like it's better quality netting than maybe it might come off on camera, but I thought these were so pretty, and they're like an antique white #ivory shade. Let's see what else. And then I got the same in the kind of like orangey red almost shade, very pretty also. Then I got these little babies. I thought these were very elegant and pretty. And then last but not least, I got these little guys, these pink florals and then yellow florals, and they're called cone flowers. But I thought they were very, very pretty. And then I got 3 little pumpkins. So, because they're so cute, it's nice to end my video on a cute little note here. So the first one is this ivory one, or more of an antique white kind of. And it has a metal leaf right here. Then this elongated one a little bit, and once again a metal leaf right there, but this one has like gold tones to it. I hope you guys can see. And then this little beauty is orange with gold tones on it. I mean, the pumpkins are so adorable. I'm definitely gonna go back and get more fall stuff as we go along. But for now, I think I did really well. I just think these are so adorable. And they had other pumpkins too. But for now, I just grabbed these. Alright, well, looks like this is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.